What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing and overview of the Savior equipment bag. And this one specifically is the Coffin TGB Covert 34-inch in the white Alpine multicam. So as you can see, this is a rather larger box. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing right here with you, and then we'll go ahead and get into an overview of the bag. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. Nice. And the one thing I love about Savior equipment is don't throw away your box, because on the inside they put a bunch of targets in here for you to use. So on your next range day, just take this box with you and you already got a target to shoot at. Look at this. This looks sick. So with it unboxed here, we just have a couple tags to cut off, but you can kind of get the general outline of it. You can see why it's called the Coffin. It has that coffin shape to it. And again, this is the 34-inch, so we can put kind of like an SBR type setup or anything within that range. Also got the strap here, which we'll get into, and it fits nicely right on your back there to carry. All right, so my head's gonna be cut off here a little bit, but I wanna make sure and showcase the bag here for you all. So the first thing to point out, like I said, this is the Alpine white version, and I think this looks awesome, and you'll see why here in a sec. But either way, they sell this in a bunch of different colors. They also have a black multicam, so you can get whatever color that you want there. So let's go ahead and go over the different pockets, because there's a lot of cool little compartments here. So to start things off on the front here, we have this dual zipper design here, and this will flip on up here. And I think this is one of the coolest features about this Coffin design that Savior equipment has, is as you can see, once I expose this, this is all MOLLE here. So you could put like a holster, different gadgets that you have, anything that's MOLLE compatible, you can go ahead and lock that in here. And then once you have it set up, you can close it up and then it's secure in there. Or the other thing you can do, pull this on back, and then this has a pocket right here. And then from here, you can take the outer portion, tuck it underneath in the back, like so. So then now this is the exterior of it. You have that MOLLE exposed there, and this is also Velcro, so if you have some patches to throw on up there, you can go ahead and have that all exposed on the outside. So already you can see pretty cool feature that they have there for different needs you might have and how you can set this up. If you are going to use this as the outside, there is, as you can see, this cord here. So if you have like a water bottle, anything like that to throw in here, you can do that as well, and then tighten it down. At the top portion, there is a zipper here as well. So another little exterior compartment, just a smaller one that fits about my hand in here. Next up, let's go ahead and open the main compartment. You can see there's two zippers, and these are lockable to where you can have a secure lock on it. And this is the main compartment now, where you can store your SBR or any kind of PCC within that 34 inches of this setup. On the bottom side here, you can see that there's two Velcro straps here, and you can move these to different locations depending on what your firearm is here, so that way it's secure. And then also we have this divider that you can go ahead and unclip, so that way it falls down here. And it's pretty cool. This does match the outside camo with the Alpine white. If you wanted to, this is Velcro here, so you could rip this whole section out if you didn't want it in here. On this top portion now, this is very similar to that exterior spot that I already showed you, where it's a bunch of Velcro and MOLLE. So you could put different holsters in here, or anything that's MOLLE compatible, you can go ahead and lock in here. But then also they give you these Velcro straps here, as you can see, to also have another firearm on this side Velcroed in, and you can move these to wherever you want on the MOLLE grid. So another cool thing that you have here that some people don't even know about is you can see there's this little handle, and you can move this to different spots, whether it be the one it's on, this one here, or there's one here and here. And what this acts as then is you keep it on the outside, close your bag up like here, like this, and then now you have this little flap here holding out. And what this is, it's a quick open. So let's say this is your kind of backpack gun setup. You can have this flap here. So now you simply rip it and you're good to go. You can grab your firearm right away. So underutilized little feature, I think, on these bags. Some people don't even know about it, but definitely a cool feature. All right, so I went ahead, added some patches and added some gear inside here, which I'll show you. But just to show you kind of final look, if you're gonna take this to the range, you have this carry handle here, and you're not putting anything ridiculously heavy in there, so it's not too bad. But then also you have the option to do kind of an over the shoulder like this, carry it around like that, and again, you can see the Coffin design here off to the side, or you could even throw it fully over like so. So then now it acts as like a whole kind of side saddle bag. So this thing really eats the weight, and it has a lot of cushion on it underneath. So if you did have something pretty heavy in this, this is gonna do a great job of making it easier to carry. Other thing to note here on the backside with the strap here, this is interchangeable. So if you wanted to change this looping system to the other side, it's ambidextrous in that sense. Two handles here as well make the Coffin case really easy to carry. So initially I picked this one out thinking it'd be a great kind of backpack type gun, and it does a great job of that, but also you can fit a lot bigger things than I thought in here, which I'll show you. So this is also the part where you get to go, Brian, why'd you get the white color? Everybody's gonna see you, that's not camouflage. Well, if I'm in the snow, it is camouflage. And two, half the battle's being tactical, and with my get-ups that I have, white is a great choice of color, as you'll see here. So opening this up here, I'm gonna go ahead and unbuckle my divider. And as you can see, I have a tier 1 holster here. I strapped it onto the Velcro strap that you can move. So this is good to go here. I can pull this off, go ahead and in the waistband carry this. Same thing here. I have 2 extra magazines for my gun that I have in here for an AK. And then I use that Velcro strap to go ahead and strap them in as well. Moving over to the main compartment here. This is where I was actually able to fit a 14.7-inch modern AK in here. And again, the color kind of makes a little bit more sense, hopefully here. To give you a little bit better perspective here, let me go ahead and pull it out here. You can see this is a Palmetto State Armory GF4 AK with a 14.7 pinned and weld barrel, so basically a 16-inch barrel, and this fits in there just fine. So pretty awesome get up as far as fitting any kind of rifle you might have. All right, I went ahead and switched it up a little bit, added a different gun in here, just to kind of give another showcase as well. So if I go ahead and rip it open, I kept the same stuff up top as you can see, but now in the bottom, I have a 10.5-inch AR, again, matches the color, so it makes a little bit more sense, but that fits in there with plenty of room. Lastly here again, you can have this be a very slim option where I took some of the stuff out here now. It's just a simple carry on one shoulder, almost looks like a tennis bag, you know? And then if you wanted to treat this as a backpack gun or a truck gun bag, you could simply whip it down here, grab your quick open lever, pull your firearm out, and you're good to go. And as you can see, this 10.5-inch with a suppressor on it fits in there just fine. So pretty awesome backpack or truck backpack type gun setup. All right, so that does it here today for the Savior Equipment TGB Covert 34-inch bag here in the white Alpine multicam. I didn't see too many people with this camo, so I thought it'd be awesome to pick up. And as you can see, with my collection I do have a lot of white different guns. Do I go shooting in the snow a lot? No. Does it look tactical? Oh yeah. They got a bunch of different colors for this Coffin case from Savior Equipment. Definitely worth checking out. Either way, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. And let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.